Hi, I'm Satyendra Kumar, currently working as the Managing Director for Infolob Solutions India Private Limited. I'm an ex-Oracle and I was also the co-founder and immediate past president for the All India Oracle Users Group. I joined Infolob in January 2021 and me and my CEO, Mr. Vijay Cherukuri, who are both of us are great fans of Larry Ellison. That's where it drives us. Infolob is a 2009 started organization in the US. Irving, Texas is our headquarters, where their focus was more on the Exadata. And coming back for the last 13 years, they have been fantastic go-to partner for Exadata in the US. Now we started expanding outside US, and that's where India being our first area where we will have to focus more on the cloud side. So me and my CEO, when we thought about because we are passionate about Oracle and we do only Oracle. So we have chosen Oracle Cloud, the Generation 2 cloud, as our primary focus. And we said, how do we build our team and also help in generating a business on the OCI? OCI, which stands for the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. First of all, OCI Gen 2 is a purpose-built enterprise-grade Oracle cloud infrastructure, which is different from the other hyperscalers. It's the grounding principles they have created from the ground up, the entire OCI Gen 2 architecture, right from the networking, right from the security, which is where most of the enterprises are looking forward. So we have put our bet on it, and we have partnered with Oracle in India. And as being a cloud service partners, and last 1.5 years we have done a tremendous growth. We have seen a tremendous growth in our business, and we have helped multiple customers in migrating their entire data center workloads onto the OCI. OCI normally people talk about is basically it's only Oracle and Oracle. Absolutely not. OCI can run any workloads, and we at Infolob are specialized in that particular things. Now coming back to the partnership with Oracle, we see a different Oracle right now from a partner point of view. They're more friendly, and the other advantage we get is we don't need to break our heads in selling something and trying to convince the customer, because it's the sales and pre-sales team who already does that with customer. We go in and ensure that the customer gets the experience onto the OCI. Experience is important, and that's where we help it. And we have a back-to-back support from cloud engineering, right from the day one to day end. They will be there as a backup if we need to run into issue. But only thing I wanted to share here is you need to understand more about what are the things needed. For example, if you need to get more benefits out of the partnership with Oracle, you need to first look at their expertise. Expertise is one of the mediums where they recognize partners who have a couple of customer references, certain certifications, and in the first few months, we just concentrated on getting those expertise, where we have trained people, we have got our people certified on multiple areas, and as an organization, we had 12 OCI expertise running across India, the Middle East, and North America. So once you have those expertise, and we have trained hundreds of people on OCI, they are certified right now, and they are helping us to migrate workloads onto the OCI for various customers. So we have been an Oracle partner right from 2009 in US, and in India we just started in 2021 Jan onwards. That's the advantage being a global partner. So once you're a global partner, the sell expertise and service expertise and license and hardware, you can do it at one place, and the other partnership you inherit from the parent partnership. That's an advantage. But again, the certifications and all, we have to do a lot across the regions, and that's where you'll be recognized by Oracle, and they'll come to you for getting us the business. So we don't need to scout for the business. That's the advantage of being an Oracle partner. The digital transformation has really picked up after the COVID. People have realized that post-COVID, the acceleration of the digital transformation increased and the cloud adoption has increased. When compared to other regions which we support, we found that the Indian CIOs are very aggressive, and we have seen we have chosen Oracle Cloud. Why don't we migrate our data center in 2 months? It was not the case in the other regions, and then they are really helpful in getting us there and giving us the things. So at Infolob, what we have done it is we have an army of people who are certified and comes out with various workloads. So we don't only talk about Oracle workloads. When you talk about a data center migration, we do everything, and that helped our customers in doing the migrations from on-premise to the OCI, and especially post-COVID, we are seeing a lot of digital transformation, and OCI adoption has increased a lot in India. From a Oracle partnership point of view, we're excited because Oracle Cloud is being started recently in India, and there are a lot many less players when compared to other hyperscalers. So we have the privilege of getting to the top, or maybe in the top leadership positions, and we are getting really help from Oracle, right from the channels and alliances team. Then we talk about the pre-sales team, then we talk about the sales team and the cloud engineering. They are like working including partners as a one Oracle team. So that's the beauty which we are experiencing in India. Currently, we see that Oracle has become more partner friendly, especially on the cloud side of the business, and there is a renewed partner strategy. And there are some programs like the Service Delivery Accelerator program or whatever. If you know those ABCs of it, you just follow, getting the certifications, getting the expertise, helping the customers on migrating their cloud. Based on the consumption, we are going to make a lot of money, which is, I don't want to talk about the percentages here, but definitely there is always margins for you on the cloud business, especially when with the new partner strategies what Oracle has brought in. So when we started our partnership with Oracle, we started and chosen South as our immediate focus. Then we extended to the West. Now we want to go to the North. And with the same rapport and the kind of experience as well as the kind of wins we are getting it, now we want to expand into a APAC region as well. So Singapore, we are setting up an operations, and we wanted to ensure we do the same thing in Singapore. Our idea is like wherever the Oracle cloud regions are there, definitely there's a lot of scope for partners to get there. So that's the region where we want migrating, and we are getting expanding our support services across the regions wherever the Oracle cloud data center exists.